Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Panasonic AC remote not working or responding, battery sensor and reset fix. Fix 1 is replace the batteries. Remove the battery cover from the remote, then take out the old batteries. Then insert new batteries making sure the plus and minus ends matching the marking. Then close the battery cover, then test the remote again. Second one is make sure nothing blocks the AC sensor. Stand within about 20 feet of the AC, then point the remote directly at the indoor unit. Then remove any object blocking the front of the AC. Try pressing the power button again. Third one is power reset the air conditioner. Turn off the AC, unplug it or switch off the circuit breaker, then wait 5 minutes. Restore power, turn the AC on with the remote. Fourth one is clean the AC sensor. Turn off the air conditioner, then locate the receiver window on the indoor unit. Wipe it gently with a soft dry cloth. Turn the AC back on and test the remote. Fifth one is reset the remote. Remove the batteries, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then reinsert the batteries. Try using the remote again. Thanks for watching.